Curtis's Topps Tier 1 Baseball 2015. Good luck. And I gotta give you tickets too. Longhorn tickets, and don't forget the new monthly pack drawing.
I like how they don't have to rip it open.
Oh, I know. Come on, kiss me. Oh, I gotta tell you about that best baseball the guy pulled too. You may have saw it. Joey Bats, the flipper. Dale Murphy. Ooh, that's nice. Alvarez. Let's see. Joey Bats, he's now called the Bat Flipper.
Oh, I hate.
349. Henderson Alvarez. The Marlins. Auto. And I like this. 64 of 149. And he's got such a nice autograph too, Dale Murphy. And that's Curtis's Tier 1 Baseball. Thank you.